Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to blur a video in CapCut. To get started, launch the CapCut app on your device. Tap on the plus button or the new project option to create a new project. Then select the video you want to blur from your device gallery and add it to your project timeline. Once your video is added to the timeline, tap on it and select it. To apply a blur effect, tap on Effects option at the bottom of the screen. CapCut offers two types of blurring effects, Mosaic and Gaussian. Here we will go for Mosaic effects. Mosaic creates a pixelated blur. After choosing the blur effect, you can adjust the strength or intensity of the blur effect by using the slider provided. Tap the play button to preview your video with the blur effect applied. If you are satisfied with the blur effects, tap the check mark or apply button to save the changes. Once you have applied the blur effect and made any other edits, tap the export or save button to save your video. That's it, you have successfully blurred a video using the CapCut app on your device. You can now share or use the blur video as needed. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.